Hi, I'm Dr. Kimball, and I want to talk to you about the ARKON anesthesia machine. This is a very unique machine. The attention to detail built into ARKON sets it apart. I can tell that Spacelabs really cares about my everyday work experiences and how I care for my patients. Do you wish you had your own organized workspace? Sitting with these anesthesia machines 6, 8, 10, sometimes 12 hours a day makes them our home. When we trialed ARKON, it dawned on us that an anesthesia machine should fit the way we work, for and with you. ARKON does exactly that, and wow, finally, my own office. When you sit down at ARKON, you immediately notice the little things that can make our work easier. I never realized how cramped or non-existent my workspace was until I was presented with the multiple work surfaces in ARKON. I now have the freedom to do paperwork or lay out my equipment. How fantastic is it that I can plug in my phone and laptop? I have multiple storage areas where I can place my forms and charts, and even a personal work surface light. There's a small system status computer like in my car, right in front of the machine that provides all kinds of important information in one easy-to-find area. I can quickly see how much battery backup there is or whether gas scavenging is working properly. It even tells me if the machine was checked out this morning. I'm doing so many cases in the dark that I could tell that ARKON was made for me. It has built-in lighting throughout that helps me chart, find equipment, and monitor the patient. It's wonderful to finally be able to easily work in the dark. ARKON gives me greater flexibility in caring for my patients. I can now maximize the space at the head of the bed. Having fixed controls on prior machines forced me to turn my back on the very patients who entrust me with their care. Spacelabs was really clever. Their creative solution expands. I've never seen another machine like this. It moves all the clinical controls closer to my patient while providing me even more workspace. The breathing circuit even rotates. I love that all the controls I need to provide excellent care are right in front of me. What a concept. Do you have per diem users? We do. And we were always worried about how familiar they were with the new anesthesia machines. Locating key controls like the power button, mixer knobs, vaporizers, and the manual bag are easy on ARKON. No complex ventilation menus to navigate. Simple adjustments control the ventilator's performance. Signature lighting emphasizes active controls. Isn't it great to have fewer things to worry about? When you look at ARKON, you can't help but notice the vent display. It makes you want to walk up and touch it. It has a great touchscreen that I can easily configure the way I want. I can display more information during complex cases and less for simple ones. I can quickly identify and silence the alarms as necessary. I had never seen this type of user interface on an anesthesia machine before, and I can't imagine having to use my old one again. I wanted my new system to have excellent ventilation capabilities because most of my patients are critically ill. ARKON gives me that. We use pressure control with a volume guarantee on almost all our patients. It works great for poor lung compliance like in laparoscopic and bariatric cases. Pressure support is a standard of care, and I need to have apnea backup. I was especially pleased when I realized how easy ARKON's ventilator synchronized with the patient and backed up their breathing without the need for changing modes. Thank you for touring ARKON with me. It has greatly improved my ability to care for my patients. Spacelabs really thought about us when they developed this fabulous anesthesia product. They believe in improving the overall healthcare experience for my patients and me. ARKON is truly unique and the ultimate anesthesia machine.